some of the Xpel. I guess my wheels got too hot and threw up some rubber or whatnot and put a big burn mark down here on the car. And so because it has a warranty, I got that replaced. And then I also got a few new decals. Whenever I order them online, all of them look like they're orange, and I don't understand that. I ask for red. Every red that I order ends up being orange. So these are brand new red. However, I still think they look orange. Starting with the front, I did change out the front splitter from the 2015 Z06 to the Stage 3 kit. I liked from the 2016 model. The rims are coated with 4 coats of ceramic pro because us vet owners that drive our cars know about the brake dust. Something else that I had done, the entire front was matte black, but I had them wrap up to the window the same color as the air intake because I thought that that would add an interesting little touch. I wrapped my Z06 in the same Stealth Xpel that I wrapped my 570 in because on this car, oh my gosh, it brings out the lines, and I think that it makes it look so much more aggressive. So I guess they thought that they would try to help me get followers on Instagram and subscribers on YouTube, and thought it would be funny to put "She's Without Fear" 3 times on the back of my car. I think it's a little much. I do love the no garage queens though, because like I said, I do drive my cars. Difficult in this car to be able to go out and have any fun without fear of sliding off the road. Although I am without fear. So the first day that I had the Z06, I was driving around in sport, manual of course, and after about 20 minutes I overheated and the car went into limp mode. So I have had to add 2 additional DeWitt radiators and a Haltech air intake to correct that problem. Now I do have the car set in touring at all times, but I do have the exhaust set on track, and I can do that by going into my settings on the console here, selecting drive mode, and then putting it on the exhaust that I choose. So stock, the Z06 has about 650 horsepower. But by upgrading the air intake and adding an additional radiator, I have added about 46 horsepower, which is going to put me at about 585 to the wheel. I'm going to get a little loose here. I wish you could smell this flippin' exhaust fumes and gasoline. It is like the best smell on the face of the earth. Seriously, one of my favorites besides matches and just cut grass. a video coming up soon. I will go over everything with my Z06, and I will take it for a drive as well. And I really like the difference between the two drives, one being, you know, turbos and the other just super American muscle, supercharged.